What is pip in Python? Pip, short for pip installs packages, is the package installer for Python. It allows you to install and manage additional libraries and dependencies that are not included in the Python standard library. Here's a quick overview of what pip does and its commands. First thing what pip does in Python is installing packages. You can easily install Python packages from the Python package index or pypi or other repositories using the pip install and package name command. Another thing what pip does in Python is upgrading packages. Pip can update installed packages to their latest versions with pip space install space -- upgrade and space package name command. Another functionality what pip does is uninstalling packages. If you no longer need the package, you can remove it with pip space uninstall and space and package name. And you can also use the pip command to see all the packages installed in your Python environment with pip space list command. Pip makes it simple to manage the various libraries and dependencies required for your Python projects, ensuring your development environment stays organized and up to date.